will Wall Street and the average Joe investor adapt to this fresh exposure to Bitcoin? The answer begins with the rise of Bitcoin spot ETFs, and the journey is nothing short of intriguing. Welcome to the Bitcoin era on Wall Street. The stage is set with the emergence of Bitcoin spot ETFs, with BlackRock's IBIT taking the spotlight as one of the most significant capital inflows this year. This historic phenomenon proves that Bitcoin ETFs are a viable investment option. Yet, it triggers a question: how will Wall Street and the everyday investor adapt to this new form of Bitcoin exposure? Fast forward to the next decade, and Bitcoin is expected to be one of the most talked about brands on Wall Street, given Bitcoin's potential to match gold's market capital. In a world where most wealth managers recommend a small allocation to cryptocurrencies due to their volatility and legal risk, various funds plan to launch ETFs combining Bitcoin and traditional securities, targeting risk-averse retail investors. Financial advisors ought to consider launching hybrid funds. These funds would combine investments in traditional indices like the S&P 500 with Bitcoin, balancing Bitcoin's volatility with more stable investments. Competition amongst Bitcoin ETFs is fierce, with many companies striving to stand out through lower management fees or unique investment strategies. Beyond fees, different firms aim to profit through Bitcoin lending, while others promise security by maximizing cold storage. Grayscale, a longtime market player, retains clients despite high fees due to brand loyalty and the Bitcoin community's commitment. Therefore, Wall Street's entry into Bitcoin serves not only as a diversification route for investments, but also as a conduit for Bitcoin's mass adoption. This ushers in Bitcoin's inclusion in model portfolios, retirement accounts, and pension plans, with the potential to transform Bitcoin into a conventional asset class. The Bitcoin era on Wall Street promises to change the financial landscape, presenting challenges and new opportunities for investors and fund managers alike. In summary, the Bitcoin era on Wall Street, marked by the rise of Bitcoin spot ETFs, has opened new doors for investors and fund managers. The fierce competition among Bitcoin ETFs, the advent of hybrid funds, and the potential of Bitcoin becoming a conventional asset class create a riveting plot in the financial saga. As Wall Street embraces Bitcoin, the world watches, waiting to see how this story unfolds.